On July 2nd, Texas Emergency Management and the NWS indicated potential flooding. On July 3rd, they warned of flooding in west and central Texas. At 1:18 p.m. July 3rd, a flood watch was issued. A flash flood warning was in effect 1:14 a.m. on July 4th and extended at 3:35 a.m. A flash flood emergency was issued at 4:05 a.m. Search and rescue began around 6 a.m. Cloud seeding adds silver iodide, potassium iodide, or salt via aircraft. These particles act like condensation nuclei, giving something water vapor to cling on and grow into water droplets or ice crystals. Once drops are large enough, gravity takes over and precipitation starts. Cloud seeding is like squeezing a lemon. It doesn't create the lemon. It just extracts a few extra drops. It existed since the 1940s to combat drought in the West for agricultural purposes. It only works on clouds capable of producing precipitation. It cannot create clouds, intensify storms, or cause flash floods. It also has a very insufficient success rate. Remnants of Tropical Storm Barry fueled into a mesoscale convective system, which stalled over the region. Mesoscale convective systems are a series of organized showers and thunderstorms. They can be slow-moving but are larger than individual thunderstorms, but smaller than your typical extratropical low-pressure system. Since the system was fueled by the remnants of Tropical Storm Barry, intense rainfall rates came about. This is because tropical moisture contains a lot more water vapor. Secondly, the region was in an exceptional drought. The hardened soils were too dry to soak up some of the rain, which piled excess runoff. Therefore, the floods were caused by three things. 1. Leftover tropical moisture to feed intensity rates. 2. Texas hill country is known for its hilly terrain. 3. Dried up soils did not soak up excess water, increasing runoff. The flash floods occurred in Kerr County overnight on 4th of July. Cloud seeding operations took place July 2nd in Runge, Texas to mitigate drought. The clouds dissipated within hours in Runge, Texas, so cloud seeding could not have caused flash flooding in Kerr County. Cloud seeding is on such a small scale like grains of salt. The flash flooding and storms covered much of Texas. The two are not remotely comparable. Since precipitation processes occur on such a small scale, many weather models are unable to capture their complexity, as they simplify the real atmosphere. Widespread totals of 5 inches or greater occurred, with some counties experiencing at least 10 inches. Totals exceeded 20 inches near Burnett, Williamson, and Travis counties. This led to the Guadalupe River rising 26 feet in just 45 minutes. It unfortunately caught many by surprise that it happened of this magnitude. Search and rescue is still ongoing as more rain hits the region.
It's fresh like spring, we want to pass it on. Reach for you, my friend, this happiness that I found.